You struggling with error 1 when installing Adobe Creative Cloud? This frustrating error can halt your progress and waste valuable time, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Error 1 usually occurs due to network issues, insufficient disk space, or administrative restrictions. While you can attempt to fix it manually by checking your internet connection, ensuring enough disk space, and running the installer as an administrator, these solutions don't always work and they can be time-consuming. Save time and frustration by downloading our software, available at the link in the description below. Our tool automatically scans your system, identifies the problem, and fixes error 1 for you. It's quick, easy, and ensures you can get back to your creative projects without delay. Download now and experience hassle-free installations.